Today we have a video from Bodycam 0 and the title of the video is, did hurt feelings cause this officer to punch a handcuffed man? Oh wow.
Nope, you're gonna go to jail for open container. Pour it out, or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options.
Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right. Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. What are you doing? What are you doing? Stop. Hey, Street Central, give us the channel. Step back. Stop. Yo, put your hands behind your back. Hey, stop playing, bro. Stop.
What are y'all arrested?
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all
need to stop.
Wait, hold on. He ain't even tell him why he being arrested or nothing. Like, he said, you could pour it out. The cop takes it, pours it out. The guy walks away. I'm thinking the conversation is over with. I mean, now don't get me wrong. Should the guy have just poured it out himself? Yeah. But, yeah, I'm real confused by this.
Nope, you're gonna go to jail for open container. Pour it out, or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options.
Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right. Stop. Get on the ground. What are you doing? Stop. Hey, Street Central, give us the channel. Step back. Stop. Yo, put your hands behind your back. Hey, stop playing, bro. Stop.
What are y'all arrested?
Put your hands behind your back.
Y'all
need to stop. Put your hands behind your back, man. I'm gonna tell you.
What did you tase me for?
Hey, step back. Put your hands behind your back.
He got it. Chill out.
Get back. Stop.
Chill out.
Get back. Stop.
Give me his down.
Yeah, the front is too close.
Get back.
Get back.
Please stop. You got
All right, come on. Do your business.
You need to chill. Do your business.
Bat Leo taking 110-12.
Get back.
All right, what else? Come on.
Wait, battery on Leo? Wait, what?
Put your hands behind your back, man. I'm gonna tell you.
What did you tase me for?
Hey, step back.
Put your hands behind your
He
back.
got it. Chill out. Chill out.
Get back.
Stop. Chill out.
Get back. Stop.
Give me his
Get
down.
back.
That's my twin.
Hey,
Get back. Get back.
Get back.
Please stop. You got
All right, come on. Do your business.
You need to chill. Do your business.
Bat Leo taking 110-12.
Get back.
All right, what else? Come on.
Where's the battery?
What else? That is crazy, bro.
Hey, if you come over here, you're gonna go to jail.
Bro, stop talking
Chill
to
out.
him. I'm right here. Stop talking to him. I'm right here. What are we doing?
Yeah.
You like being on my back or what? You like being on my back
around,
or what? You like being on my back or what? Yeah, I'm complying. What are we doing?
Put your hands behind your back.
I can, if you let me. If you let me, smart guy. Dumbass. Stupid ass. Oh, he's trying to be top. He's trying to be top. Weak ass guy. Get the off my back, man. What are we doing?
Yeah.
You don't even know what this.
You did. You poured that bottle out and just dropped it. Dumbass.
Get back against the hood right there.
Stop it. Stop it.
You're under arrest.
Bro, hey, yo.
For battery on law
You still
enforcement.
twisting your arm?
Battery?
Yep. When you threw that cork at me.
What? When I threw the cork at you?
Throwing stuff at people?
I'm gonna search you.
Wait, he
I'm
threw a
gonna take you
cork?
out,
Wait, hold on. He threw a cork at him? Wait, hold up. I'm missing a lot here. Maybe I'm missing something. Where was that at?
Pour it out, or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options.
Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right.
Oh, I see it. I see. All right. I see. Okay. All right. And the far part of the screen, you're gonna see him with the other hand. He throws the cork. Okay.
Here,
I didn't even see that.
Pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right.
Get on the ground.
Ah, yeah.
Hey, it's 300. Give us the channel. Step back. Step back.
Stop!
See, because battery, right? You don't have to. Battery is just the motion, right? Let me see. And assault is like when you actually. Hold on. Let me look. Hold on. What's the difference between battery and assault? Okay. Assault is the threat or attempt to physically harm that causes fear, while battery is the actual intentional and unlawful physical contact. Oh, wait. So battery, wouldn't it be assault? Because assault is the threat. He didn't actually hit him with nothing. Assault. Wait, assault does not require physical contact. Battery requires actual intentional and unlawful physical contact. So, maybe I'm missing something. Did he touch him? Assault does not have to have contact. Wait, hold on. Assault does not require physical contact. Battery requires actual, intentional, and unlawful physical contact. So you actually touching somebody. So this officer is claiming that he was touched. Okay, now let's go back. See, I gotta break it down because listen, I don't know.
Pour it out, or you're gonna go to jail for open container. Those are your options. Here, you can pour it out.
Nope, pour it out.
No, you can pour it out.
All right.
Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. What are you doing?
Oh man, I don't know about this, Woody.
Stop, you're weak. Stop.
Yep.
Took you out, didn't I? Almost took you out.
When you threw that cork at me.
What?
When I threw the cork battery?
Yep. When you threw that cork at me.
What?
When I threw the cork at
You throwing
you?
stuff at people?
Almost hurt you?
Yep.
Almost took you out, didn't I? Almost took you out, didn't I?
I don't care.
Almost took you out, didn't I?
Yep. Stop.
Let go! He not over there fighting you! Stop! Stop! That's my twin! Stop!
I almost took you out, didn't I?
Stop!
Cut it the out.
Stop!
I almost took you out.
Stop!
Stop, you're weak. Stop, you're weak.
This is gonna get ugly, man. Oh man, this is gonna get ugly, boy. He touched. The guy's grabbing him. Yep. Rocked him.
You're weak. You're weak. You're weak.
Why the f is he hitting him? Why the f is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him?
Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand.
Stop! Stop! He hit my brother! Stop!
Stop right now.
Why are you hitting him? Why are you hitting him? Stop!
Put it out. Put it out.
Why are you hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him? Why is he hitting him?
Cut it out.
Why? Why? What's going on, man?
Oh man.
Get off my neck! Get off my
I'm not on your neck. I'm on your head.
Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head! Get off my head!
Cut it out.
Get off my head! Get off my head!
Not until you stop.
My head! Get off my head!
Hey.
Get the off of me!
Cut it out.
Get off! Get off! Get off!
Hey.
You don't know what you're doing, man! Get the off of me!
Let's put him in the car.
Right, you know what you're doing!
Stand up.
Get up.
Stand up.
Get up.
You're not helping!
Bro, use your feet. No. Hey, use your feet.
That's fine.
Get in the car. Hey, stop. Get in the
Get in the car. I'm gonna take the neck. I am complying. Get in the car. I am complying. Get in the car. I am complying, you bitch. I'm complying. What are you doing?
Let's see here. Hold on. Oh my goodness. The officer has been placed on administrative assignment pending the outcome of an internal investigation into this incident. So he's on desk duty. Yep. This is, oh man, this is nasty work. This is nasty work. Let me see. What if some of these wasn't excessive enough? Oh my God. Yo, first comments is this. Vacation always before being cleared. Oh man, not excessive. Less abusive than pepper spray or a dog. Oh man. Maybe don't throw things at police officers. Those aren't punches. They're compliance reminders. Oh my God. Thin blue line cowards. That's police brutality. Completely justified use of force. I mean, it's a lot of mixed reviews on it. It's a lot of mixed reviews. Do I think this officer is going to lose his job? No. Because every action that the officer had, and people may not like this comment, they may not like my take on it, but everything that the officer did was a reaction to what he did, the suspect or whatever, even from the beginning, right? Pour out the bottle, whatever, right? When the officer goes and tackles him to the ground, that's a reaction from him tossing the corkscrew at him. And I didn't even notice that at first. I had to rewind that to figure that part out. Then they're wrestling with him, whatever. They bring him down to the ground. That's a reaction for him resisting. They initially bring him to the ground. Then the officer hits him. But that's a reaction of the I was gonna say the inmate, but the suspect grabbing his hand. So it's like he ain't losing his job for that. I mean, yeah, it's in the beginning. You know, if you're watching it full time, like, you probably won't see it, the things that's going on. But when you break it down and rewind it and chop it back, everything the officer did was a reaction to what he was doing. And typically, you know, me personally, I don't like the hitting of you know, I keep thinking CO, you know what I mean? Because it's like, but I was gonna say, I don't like the hitting of like inmates and you know, suspects and stuff like that when they're cuffed. You know what I'm saying? Because it's cowardly. Okay, they cannot defend themselves at all. You're just beating on him. He's completely cuffed. Like, it's just, I personally don't like that. I don't like when COs did that, like cuffs. Like, I didn't like none of that. You know, that's, for me personally, that's not my cup of tea. If I got a problem with somebody, we gonna get it on before the cuffs come on. You know what I mean? Now, once the cuffs is on, that's it. It's over with. But once again, the cop hit him after he was grabbing him, though. I mean, so I may not like that part, but it's his reaction to what he did, you know, to what the suspect did. So it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. That's all I can say, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right, and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.